Okay, I got the time side plate on. It took a little bit. I went ahead and put some oil on these pivot holes, and when I applied some power, I also went ahead and put the rack and snail back on. So when I apply power to the time side, the hopefully it takes off ticking away. And it stopped. And that's because when I put it together, I didn't put it together correctly. The gear here needs to go to the left a little bit. Now you can move it, and I'm going to try to do that without damaging things. And so let's see what happens. Because the gear just friction fit on there. But with these things costing $63 a piece, I'm going to take it back apart. The gear is not positioned right. So let me see if I could take it back apart by loosening these screws, this screw here, and reposition the pallet fork. You always want to make sure you have end shake in all your gears. Like I said, the pallet fork is not in the right position. I got it adjusted right by loosening the two nuts and putting the pallet in right, but I'm going to have to probably put a bushing in this cloth, because when I move it, it stops. And the reason why is this gear right here. Can you see the slop in it? and that will cause this clock to stop because this pivot hole is worn. So I'm going to have to put a bushing in that. But I hope you guys like the video so far. And as you can see, with it tilted like that, it'll run. It'll probably run if I put it in the clock. However, with that bushing worn, I think I want to put a different bushing in.